Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. Today it's Throwback Thursday, so I am using the With Deepest Sympathy stamp from, I think it was the April 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I need a sympathy card, so I'm going to do this one as a sympathy card. I've got a basic beige background. I've got basic beige ink. I have taken one of the Velvet Meadows Designer Series paper and I have trimmed it down. I've fussy cut out the top and I've trimmed it down. Now, normally I would adhere this down before I did the cutting out, so it might be a little bit tricky to glue it down, but I just wanted to show you. I took a 5 1/4 by 4 and I trimmed it down to make it fit the piece from the set. And I like how the little glossy detail edge here really kind of ties in with the flowers on here. So let's just adhere this down first. Let's get that done because it's going to be a bit fiddly. So I'm just going to add some adhesive to all the edges so that it stays down nicely. And then we're just going to see what we can do to place this down so that it lines up as best we can here. There we go. I am a little bit off, but I am okay with that. Now, usually I do my stamping first, but I have not done my stamping on this one, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And the reason I do my stamping first is in case I mess it up, like putting the greeting upside down. Then I haven't wasted the work that I've already done. So let's do that. We've got the With Deepest Sympathy there. And I'm not going to actually bling this up. This is how it is. That's how the card front's going to be. But I am going to add just some of these little cross hatches. I felt that the card base just needed a little something. I didn't necessarily want to layer it up with an embossing folder, although that's certainly an option. But just adding that little bit just kind of adds a little bit of dimension to it. And I could go down the sides, I could cover the whole background. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. A little bit open, a little bit just plain at the top. You can use the antique pearls if you've got them, if you wanted to add a little bit. Now, mind you, it is Throwback Thursday, so I don't know. Sorry, the brass butterflies are still current, I believe. So let me see if I can find my brass butterflies. And I said I wasn't going to bling this up, but I actually am going to bling it up. I'm going to add some of these brass butterflies because I think they're kind of in line with what we're doing. I'm just going to use the little ones, just a little subtle touch. Like that. And then we're going to add a third one just up here. Okay, so having said I wasn't going to bling, I think that the little butterflies, the brushed brass butterflies, are perfect with this. So my Throwback Thursday was actually using the With Deepest Sympathy from a previous paper pumpkin. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.